Okay, so this video is meant to just explain what I mean when I call something a mastery quiz. So this is using Google Docs to make a quiz, but the idea is you don't want to have to sit and grade the quiz for them. They can find out how they're doing along the way. And by mastery, what I mean is that in order to move on in the quiz, they have to get the question correct. Okay, so here we'll just put in my name here to start. And this is page 1. When you make a mastery quiz, you do it by pages. So here's the equations they might need for this particular quiz. And I go continue, and it goes to page 1 where they ask the question. Okay, so what is the ideal mechanical advantage? And if the right answer is 4 and they click 4 and hit continue, it will take them to question 2. Okay, and then they look at this question and ask them, what is the actual? And again, if they get the right answer, it moves them forward again. Now they're at page 3, and here's this question and the work done by the person. So let's say they go ahead and get the wrong answer because they left it in centimeters and hit continue. It takes them back to the first page. Okay, and you could choose to actually kick them out of the quiz completely at that point if you wanted to set it up that way, but I like to have it just have it back, come to the beginning. It remembers what they put on the ones they got right, but it might help them review and think about it. Okay, and then when they come to the one, if they remember which one they got wrong, then they can think about it. Okay, this time I'm going to put this, and then continue on to the next question. Um, as they continue moving on, because they keep getting the questions right, and I know the quiz because I just finished writing it, and if they get all the way to well, let me show you one more thing. So let's say they get all the way to this set of questions. So here I made a page that has 3 questions on it. They have to get all 3 of them right, or otherwise it'll kick them back. So if I intentionally get one wrong, well, actually I think I'll go ahead and get them right. But if they happen to get one of them wrong here, it would kick them back. They'd have to get all 3 of them right in order to get it. And let's see if I can remember these. Sorry, why take a second here? Hopefully I did that right. Okay, so now they're on the last page. Um, and when they get all of them right, submit, it takes it to this, lets them know they got it right, and it submits a response. And by doing it this way, they can only submit if they've gotten all of them right. So when you go to grade it, it's very easy. You don't need to do anything except see that their name showed up on your responses page, and that means they got them all right. Otherwise, they never got to the end and it never submitted. Anyway, that's one way of doing the mastery quiz. There's certainly other ways to do it, but the idea is they just have to get every single question right, and they have to get question 2 right before they move on to question 3. And that's what I'm calling a mastery quiz.